stop, we know. Never gonna stop, you know I gotta go alone. You know I always gotta take control.
Hello guys, Gas Garrett here. We're gonna check out these new cords I bought. Easy open, look at that. So for starters, we're gonna have, they're very hard to get out of the package though. That's the problem. They're so tight. Got one. So this is the cord. And how long is it? It says it's 3 foot. Oh my. I can't show this on camera because it's long. Look at that. Here's the end. And just keeps going. So yeah. This is a 3 foot cable, sync charge cable. So I'm guessing this is good for when you need to, like, I don't know, like send files to your laptops. And I guess this cord is good for that and good for charging your phone, which I'll do a test in another video about it. This is my white cord for my other Android phone. Alright. So I hope you guys like this color white. Kind of looks cool. I do like how the cord is not circle but like a thin line, because it actually makes it easier to wrap up when you go for like a long trip or something. But yeah, that's the cord. On the next cord, here's the dark blue one. It's a C charger, so it's good for the phone that I'm recording right now. So let's open this. Easy opening. You just grab this tab right here, and then you just bam. Now we're gonna try to open this, and uh-oh, can't even open it. Hold on, give me a second. I can't open it. The struggle. Can't open the package. Got it. Man, I have a pain in my butt. Okay. So unlike the other one, this one is a dark blue C charger. Look at that. Brand new. Again, this thing is hella long, by the way. Now look at this. I can't show it on camera because it's so long. Look at that. I can like fit this much. I mean, look at this, guys. Look at this. It's still going. Oh, I'm gonna. But see how long that is? And that's only the tail end. So if I put this and just throw it out, it. I'm gonna show you how long it is. This is the end of it. It stops right there. Wait, no. No, it keeps going. Look at that. It's down there. See if I can shake it. See? The head is long. So, yeah. For these cords, I advise people to get a cord like this if they need it to, wrap up when you go somewhere, charge. Bring a supercharger, like if you need a supercharger, get one of these if you can. But if you can't, get a battery pack. These battery packs are really good because they allow you to like charge on the go. And for a good battery pack with these cords I just showed you right now, I'm gonna say it, and many people won't agree with me, but that's all right. Uh, get one of these. This is a solar power battery pack. It even has a compass. So let me just show you how. I'll probably hook it up to this. Will be get the blue one, you put it in this hole, right? Get the white one, you put it in this hole, and there you go. It's all done. Even dangling cords. So yeah, if you need like a, cause look, if you notice, they're very bendable. So you don't have to have the hassle like cord like this, bending and breaking, and that's so frustrating. But these, it's alright for them to do this because that's how they're made. They can bend, they can really do a lot. But they're very good for charging your phone quick and precise. So yeah, is it worth to buy it? It is. It's really depending on your preference. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this KS Garrett, and I'll be doing more chaotic stuff on my channel now because it's you get boring of just same old videos and same old garbage. Gotta have a little chaos in your life.